In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you create a pivot table on Google Spreadsheet, simple and easy. So you can see on your screen, for this data, I've created a pivot table for it here. You see it here, simple and easy. Now let's try to do the same thing with this data, but then I'm going to put you guys through the whole procedure. So to create a pivot table is very simple, just like on Excel. Just select any part of the table you have on your Google Spreadsheet. You move to the insert here, you can see pivot table here, just tap on that. And just like on Excel, you can give it a name. You give the pivot table a name, right? You select the range, so it's this table, or you can tap on this to select it yourself. You get it, this here. So now let me cancel that, and now let's come back and let's create our pivot table on a new sheet. You get me? So let's tap on the create to proceed. So just like on Excel, simple and easy. So we have the rows, we have the columns, we have the values, and we have the filters. So mostly you use the rows and you use the values most of the time. You use the columns and this too as well. If you have a lot of column headers too, you can use the column as well. So now let's try to do this. So just like it's done always, the rows is for qualitative data. Yeah. So let's tap on the add, and now let's add name, and name is qualitative. Good. This is an attendance sheet, that's why we are putting the name there. Let's try to open it a bit. Good. And now we move to the values. So the values should be quantitative, so it should be the number of days they came, something like that. Good. And we are good to go. So these are columns, these here are columns. So you can see the values has been added, and you can see Abigail, you can see this name came twice in the week, this came twice, this came once, 3, and the rest. Good. So you can see we have our pivot table here. We can even create a chart for this. So we just select any part, and you are going to see charts from this sections here. You can see chart here, insert a chart from this summary here. Simple. Let's tap on that. Inserted it twice. Item can be deleted. Let me just drag one here. Good. And we have a pivot chart too as well on Google Sheets. It's very simple. So just like I said, here the rows is for qualitative. That's something that describes something in a way, and then this is something that is quantitative, you can calculate. So always get that in mind. That's it on how you create a pivot table with pivot charts included on Google Spreadsheet. Simple and easy. If you are new here, you can give me a like, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, let me know. This is a small data, that's why it looks very simple. But then if you have a lot of data, it's going to look complex. But just like I said, you keep the qualitative and the quantitative in your head and able to be able to do that. So that's it for the video. Peace.